You're looking for a dream logo for your business, something that stands out from the competition and doesn't cost you an arm and a leg. And guess what? You found it with Logofy. Whether you need a logo for your startup, bike shop, or a restaurant, we'll help you generate thousands of customized logos in just 2 minutes. We also provide you with a complete branding kit, making Logofy the one-stop shop for launching your brand. So how does it work? To get started, just tell us your business type and name. Show us what style of logo you like and pick your favorite colors. That's it. Now you can browse through thousands of different logos already customized for you. Simply pick a logo you like and start editing it for free. In minutes, you'll get a logo you love. Wait, did we already mention that it's free? You only pay if you choose to get a premium version of your logo. So get started today and build the brand you love with Logofy.